Why is there what on the back of the house?
Barn.
Oh, yeah.
Is that yours?
Yes. Not anymore. I want to get another one. I want to get another one. I missed that one.
I did not know the barn was yours.
Yes.
Hobby Lobby is Hobby Lobby the steer home.
Yes. We're almost there now. It all got old. They had to put a new one.
Yeah, the sun is not up. The sun is not up. The video is dark.
It's just dark clouds. It's about to rain. Because I think it's raining already. I like Daddy's house.
You like Daddy's house? Beautiful. They painted new.
Yeah, Daddy had a barn in the back. Own hands.
When you were little?
No,
You were little?
when I was old. Little Jackie stung my hand to come out from the ground. I decided to quit that day. I said, okay, it's time to quit today. I will go inside. You need to go to Walmart.
Up, Grandpa.
Yeah,
Grandpa is driving.
to be like that. Man. But you're away from them.
I know the name. They can say it.
Yeah, good, very good.
The-
Oh, Jollibee.
Jollibee is here?
Yeah, I used to go to buffet when I was in school.
Yeah, Jollibee is here.
Yeah, when I was a working student for the airplane, I used to go to the buffet here.
What's up?
So the big OB is there.
Oh,
I can't see it.
what's up there? What's up?
Jollibee is here somewhere inside there.
Well, we will go later. Order some Jollibee. Spend money.
Portillo, Chicago. That's where Daddy would go for a hot dog.
The Jollibee is right there.
You
In
see
that
it?
building. No, I cannot see it.
Yeah, it's there somewhere. And the Hong Kong buffet is gone. That place is old because it's close to my school.
So the new Jollibee, newly opened Jollibee in Arlington is located here. The location is here.
I love your house, and I love that barn.
The place from Chicago is there.
I have the address, but I don't want to spend money right now.
Maybe it's down this road, but I told me that was
Jollibee
behind the Chicago.
behind the Chicago.
Portillo.
The Jollibee is behind the
There,
Chicago.
there.
Okay, it's right there.
Mhm.
Oh, there you go. I see it.
You see it?
Ay,
But
Jollibee
that
is
one
there.
is very old, but they had to tear down.
That's the Jollibee Arlington,
They
guys.
had to tear down the McDonald's and build a new one. It was so old. And the North talks about the South. No, the South is new and fresh. North is so old.
I see the whole neighborhood.
Everything up north is so old. We keep ours, take care of ours, fix it, make it new. Oh, Gangnam style. Gangnam style. Gangnam rice.
Gangnam.
Can you sing Gangnam rice?
Gangnam. Gang.
Gag.
Gangnam.
Nam.
Gangnam style.
Gangnam rice. Gangnam style.
Yummy rice. Well, who did that Winko thing? I did not subscribe for Winko.
Oh, Mardell. That's the name of it.
Hobby Lobby. We're going to Hobby Lobby.
Is the train place still there?
Hobby Lobby is next to Mardale.
Gangnam Rise took over the train, or Jenny Beauty Supply took over the train store.
You ready for Hobby Lobby, sis?
Well, there goes the train store, Erica. The last train store. There, I think it's Jenny.
You park na dali.
Or the Gangnam style. Alright, I will park in the middle of these two. What do you think?
Okay.
COVID.
We are outside now, guys. With Daddy and Ati. And Mommy.
I forgot to bring mine.
Yes, you did.
Let's go, Daddy.
Alright, let's go.
Make sure you have here.
Okay. Follow. We're here. Fast. Must be. Yeah, that's all you can do for walking. Now in Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Yeah. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, that's beautiful, babe. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, this. Oh, Daddy's gone. Oh, look at that. Hello. Hello. They're all beautiful at Hobby Lobby. Wow. Get out of your head. Yeah. Yeah. You want that one? Oh, that's so cute. You want one? Only one. What's
there's
that?
something on it.
Here's the best.
Sit your hard things above. How much is this? Oh, $5. Okay. I think they have.
That one has something on it.
Two.
No.
Oh, Teen Girls. How much is this? Oh, it's $35. I want to give this to her, but it's $10. Hi.
Because there are two birthdays today,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Like that? How's that?
Okay.
And Erica picked out.
The journal. That one is ready. That's
Let
the
me see.
journal. Watch out.
Let's see what we got.
For the prices.
Yeah.
Both of them, Dad. Journal.
Oh. Little things to read.
Is it you the one who?
Erica picked it out. Oh, look.
I don't know how much is that.
I don't either. Oh,
Can
Okay.
this be it?
No, baby.
that's okay. That's it
Mommy.
for that.
Okay, where's the journal section?
I don't know, but there was plenty there.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Is this the journal thing? It's not.
That is
Oh, this one. This one. I like to give this to them.
Yeah.
How much is this?
See, Daddy made selection.
4.
Erica made selection.
4.
And now Mommy's making selection. Erica Erica found things,
Wait,
a magnet.
price. Who's printing? How much is this? Oh, it's not really much, you know. You can survive.
No, this one has scripture, you know, in the bottom. That's why I chose that one.
You
I
got
saw
one?
that one. Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. How about this one?
Yeah.
Oh, not that one, Dad.
No?
They're girls.
Look what I found.
They're girls, Dad.
Yeah, the turquoise.
They're girls.
Okay.
Maybe David would love this.
We're good. Here's a good.
That's a small one.
How much is this?
Maybe
Oh, it's
they
$2.
like small, I don't know. But there's no paper in there.
Not much. Not much stuff to write on.
Oh, Erica.
They love to. They're in the teenage journey.
Look. Erica found that.
How much is this? Where God guide, He provides.
Here's another one.
How much
Hold
is
on.
this?
Over here,
It's
look.
$5.
No, here. Come here. Choose this one. No, I can't get it. Here, choose that one.
Oh, there's a little
Return
book.
that one.
There's a little book.
Yeah.
There's a little book. So let's bring.
Oh, where's the... Did you see
Okay, let
this?
me see if this thing can open.
I think
Erica chose that.
for I know the plans for you. Oh, I think I will get this one.
I'm going.
This is
to
quality, Dad. I will not get this one. I will not get that one.
Oh, when you're young, you love to do that. Diba? Have you ever done that at night? Mommy?
You want this one? Good morning. This is good. What is it? Huh?
That's for nighttime?
I don't need that one, Dad. Oops, somebody's going to shopping. Oh no! What did you do to yourself?
Oh, no.
You're in trouble. You didn't.
Oh, when I'm not looking.
You did not bring money with you, huh? You're in trouble, anak.
But at least you did.
Okay, let's go. Let's go more.
We cannot bring this.
Yeah.
Let's go roam around.
That plane only brings so much money.
Okay, let's go.
Don't bring that much.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the clearance section then. If they have it. Ah, Ika, hold daddy. Hold daddy. Ika, hold daddy.
Maybe I can buy some more.
Follow daddy. Way. Ooh, oh, beautiful. Sale. Oh, the decor, Dad. Ika, hold baby. Planners, how much is? Oh, planner is 14. The planner, guys, it's already 40% off of the full season. That's full season. 50% off. The decor. Hold on, Mama. Okay, put that one here. Put that one here. Okay, how can I hold you? Beautiful. How much is this? Oh, I like this one. $21. $21. How can I hold you if you are holding? Knock, I need to hold you. Give me this one. Give me that one. Okay, hold that one. I need to hold you. So the full. Oh, up there, so many. Where's Daddy and Ate? Yeah. Oh, return. No touching.
Okay, alright, that's allowed. Alright, that's allowed. Alright.
Baby, hold Mama. Come on.
Oh, that
They have on sale for the fall season.
Yeah, that's what they do. People thought it was a scam. No, it's just retail.
Beautiful.
Alright, mommy. See that?
Yeah, 50%.
Yeah, so,
That one is not. Ah,
look. This one is a light. So,
you will get that one?
I don't know.
That will be $8.
That's correct. Erica, what do you think? Oh, look.
Wall decor is 50% off.
Oh, we need charger. Okay, well, Daddy's gonna get some of those anyway. I have to look. It's the flat charger. The big charger.
Do you need charger? You need that one to lights on?
Yeah, I need charger.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, I think get that one then. Get that one. That's 50% off.
It's Hobby Lobby.
Can you get that one somewhere?
No, only Hobby Lobby. Maybe Amazon, but Amazon is double.
Yeah, it's triple there because they're making money. So, here, we will go here. Look. Oh, look, guys. It's beautiful, guys. Wow. They're all beautiful. Oh, 30% off. That will be $40. Ouch. Datsun. Datsun.
Yeah, that's Nissan.
Let's go in the box section. Or we are running out of time now.
Huh?
We're running out of time.
Yeah.
May I see? It's already 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Come on. Almost 2 o'clock now. Huh?
I was gonna say what?
It's 1 o'clock.
Oh, that's the one.
Yeah. Daddy, you remember my book?
Yes.
I have 2 books of
I use
that.
that one. Mommy, look. I go to Chicago. Yeah.